Let's take a look at scheduled agents. From the AI menu, let's navigate to scheduled agents. Scheduled agents are essentially an agent that you give it a specific task to do on a specific schedule. This can be creating a report or performing a specific action. Let's go ahead and create a new scheduled agent. Give your agent a new name and select the agent that you want to use to perform this specific task. Please refer to our documentations and other videos on how to create these agents. Now let's create this scheduled agent. Inside the scheduled agent configurations, you can change the name, you can take a look at the schedule, and you can create a new run as well as activating it and pausing it. You can set specific instructions and describe the tasks that you want to do. You can also select the schedule from built-in schedules or set your own schedule using a cron expression. You can also set up the notification by selecting the specific channel, Slack, Teams, WhatsApp, or any other integrations that you have set up for the specific agent that you have added here. The agent that we have added here is called AI Analyst, and it has access to Slack, so the Slack channel shows up here. You can also manually specify a SQL query or add an output format. In this main section, you can basically set up the instructions, schedule everything manually yourself, or you can use the left chat panel to describe your task and let the AI agent to create the scheduled agent for you. Let's try that. Alright, so I have described my task as a daily report, a PDF report that will summarize the previous day's stock information for 2 different companies. And also I have instructed it to format the text of the message as an alert if a certain threshold is met. Alright, so after about a minute of thinking and 10 different steps, it has converted my prompt into actual instructions for the scheduled agent. It has set up the schedule and the notifications, and it has also set up the query that will run every day and prepare the reports. The output formatting has also been set to be a PDF report as well as a Slack message that will be an alert in case a threshold is met. Now let's go ahead and enable this scheduled agent, and we can see that the next run will be tomorrow at 6 a.m. UTC. We can also manually trigger this agent to create a run. Under the Runs tab, we can see the history of runs and their status. Using the button on the side here, you can also go to the specific run. These scheduled agents are actually running inside the AI chats. A scheduled agent without any integrations to any messaging platform will just show up inside the chats only. However, even if your scheduled agent is integrated into Slack, WhatsApp, Teams, or any other messaging platform, all the chats and the scheduled tasks will show up inside the chats. If we come to the AI chats, we can see that the scheduled run that we had set up is currently running. Alright, so after a few minutes and running all the queries, it has prepared the report for us with all the information inside the text as well as a generated PDF report attached. The same message is also forwarded to Slack. Alright, just to recap, inside the scheduled agents, you can either set up your instructions and set up the task manually yourself, or you can give a prompt to the agent to create the schedule and the instructions and all the formatting and the SQL queries as well.